new chapter, linear equation in two variables, right? So what was, first of all, who will tell? Sudhamshu, just tell me, how will you represent linear equation in two variables?
A1x plus B1y plus C.
C1, right? This is your first
0
equation,
and
right? System of linear equation, right? So A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. So in this chapter 3, you will see system of linear equation. System of linear equation means two linear equation you will see. Okay, children? So first of all, we will learn how to solve these linear equations graphically. Okay? So graphically see. Suppose if we are having two linear equation. One is so solve x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 graphical. Solve means you have to find the values of x and y. Clear, beta? So first of all, take first equation. So from equation 1, x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Now from this equation, you can transpose this 7y to the right hand side. Fine. Children, kindly unmute yourself, all of you. So children, you can write x plus 42 is equal to 7y. Am I correct? Now, first of all, put x is equal to 0. Put the value of x is equal to 0. So, what will be the value of 7y then? 0 plus 42. Then value of y will be 42 by 7. So, it will be 6. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, now we will put the value of x here, those values of x. After putting those values, you will get the multiple of 7 only, right? Suppose if I'm putting here minus 7. If I'm putting minus 7. So value of 7y will be minus 7 plus 42. Right? So 42 minus 7 will be 35. Then value of y will be 35 by 7. So it will be 5 only. Now make a table, beta. Like this is your x, this is your y. When x is 0, the value of y was 6. And now when x is minus 5, then value of y is 5. Sorry, 6. Minus 7 I have to write here. Children, kindly be on unmute, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you people are not giving any response, that I am thinking that I am teaching myself only. Right? So in this way, you have to make table. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now make a graph for first equation first of all. So this is 0. So children, on x-axis, you can write like this. 0, 10, 20. We can take points like this. Or 5, 10. 5, 10, I think it will be better, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, like this. And here, minus 5, minus 10. Clear? Minus 50. This is your positive x-axis. This is your negative x-axis. Horizontal axis belongs to x-axis. Now vertical axis belongs to y-axis. This will be positive side and this will be negative side. Yes, children? Understood, beta?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
ninth class, you have learned this thing. Yeah. Now on y-axis also, this is 5, 10, 15, 20. You can write here minus 10, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, and minus 20. Right? So now plot the point 0 and 5. So 0 and 6, sorry. So when x is 0, so that means this x lie here only, this point on the origin, and y is 6. So 6 lies here. Okay. So this point will be lie here. This point is 0, 6. And on graph paper, while drawing any graph, you people have to use only pencil on the graph paper. No one will use the pen. Clear, beta? And you have to mention the coordinates of each point. So this is the point. Now next is minus 7, 5. So minus 7 will lie here. Suppose this is minus 7. So minus 7 and 5. So 5 is positive. So it means it will lie here. Clear? Now join these 2 points. It will join like this. Straight line would be there. So just write the line here. X minus 7y plus 42. Clear this thing, children? This is your first equation.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Please note it down it. Then I will tell you how to solve this second equation. Hurry up. And your video should be on, children. Turn on your videos.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, you have to do the same with equation 2.
Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, please don't erase, ma'am. Still
I'm not erasing, beta. And children, draw this graph with pencil and scale only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जब हमने 0 और 6 को मार्क किया तो वो तो मार्क हो गया, पर जब हमें -7 और 5 जब मतलब जैसे जब लाइन को हम जब जॉइन करेंगे तो मैम वो मतलब पैरेलल सी आ रही है.
It's okay then. No issues. Because your line will be different, beta. Because here only I have drawn the graph with running head without any measurement, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
can we also take one till 1 to 6?
Yes. Children say there is another method also. I will tell you. Okay. Just note it down it. Done, class?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Last point.
Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, beta?
Ma'am, just 1 minute, ma'am. Marking that points. Okay, ma'am, completed.
Okay. See, beta. See, if you are not able to put the values like this, that -7 and -5. So you can do one thing, that once you will put value of x is equal to 0, then you will get the value of y. Then you can put y is equal to 0, so that you can get the end points. Clear, beta? So, see, put y is equal to 0, then value of x will be x minus 7 into 0 is equal to -42, right? Then value of x will be -42. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So in this way also you can calculate. If you are not comfortable with this, -7 and 5, right? Okay, now see, next thing. Next equation now I am going to solve. Now take second equation. Second equation is x minus 3y is equal to 6. You can write, children. Right? So again, you can put value of y is equal to 0. Put the value of y is 0. Then x minus 3 into 0 is equal to 6. Then value of x will be 6. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Now put x is equal to 0. Right? Then value of y will be 0 minus 3y is equal to 6. Then value of y will be minus 6 by 3. So 3 2 is 6. Then value of y is -2. Clear? Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will make a table like this only. So write here x variable and here y variable. So value of y is 0. When y is 0, then value of x is 6. Now when x is 0, the value of y is -2. So just put, now see, when x is 6, so x will 6 will lie here. X is will lie here and y is 0. So this point will lie here only. This will be 6, 0. So always x coordinate you need to write first. Now then is 0 and minus 2. So x is 0 and minus 2. So on y, minus 2. So minus 2 will lie here, beta. This will be 2.5. Then this will be minus 2. Right? So this point will be 0, comma, minus 2. Now extend this. Just join these points like this. Okay? Intersect like this. Just check the point where it intersects. Because you people are making with scale and pencil. So it will be fine. You will get the right answer. Just tell me the for this point, values of this point. Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, we have to make this मतलब ये जो ग्राफ प्लॉट करना है इसी में करना है ये जो
Yes,
ग्राफ
yes, yes. Both the lines you need to draw in the same graph. Okay. Just draw it. Drawn, beta.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can do in the same graph, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Okay.
Drawn, beta.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, this line, no, ma'am, that we drew just now, no, ma'am. Ma'am, that is going parallel to that line, ma'am, the before.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, children, all have understood? Yes, children, all have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
doubt, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, that line we drew, no, ma'am, that is parallel, ma'am. That not, it is not
No,
intersecting.
no. It will intersect.
It's not. It's not
Ma'am,
that.
ma'am, it's not intersecting only, it's parallel.
Where? Just show me your screen.
1 minute, ma'am. Wait.
Yes, show me your, yeah. Show me your notebook. Aryan, have you measured each and everything, beta, that these points on this horizontal axis and vertical axis are 1 centimeter apart only? Hmm?
Ma'am, I didn't do that. Like, ma'am, they are equal, ma'am. I checked, ma'am.
They will not equal, beta. See, they will meet like this. I just show you. See, your graph will be like this only.
Ma'am, then I'll draw again.
Okay. See, your graph will be like this only. Like, it will like this.
Ma'am, I
That
got the same thing.
yes.
I got it correct.
Okay. Okay, Aryan? Shan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'll see one.
Yes. And this, it will intersect. You see, this point will be 42 and this point will be 12. So value of x will be 42 and value of y will be 12. Abhinav, have you got the same?
Yes, ma'am. I have done it not to exact scale, but I
Yes,
got the
but when
intersection.
you will draw this on graph paper, na, then you will get the exact scale. Right? Aman, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Just show me your notebook then. Ionija,
Ma'am, I only
Meher,
did one
Shan.
graph so far. Ma'am, I only drew one line so far, not the second one. 1 second.
Okay, okay. Just draw it first.
Ma'am, I am correcting that. Ma'am, actually, वो parallel intersect.
Ma'am, I made a mistake. I'm doing it again.
1 minute, ma'am, I'm
Okay.
drawing.
Okay. Or you can check your answer that graphically it is correct or not. I will explain you how you can check your answer to, right? So see, the values of x and y are 42 and 12. And your equation was x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Now just put these values here. So x is 42 minus 7 into 12 plus 42 is equal to 0. Now check whether after putting these values your answer becomes 0 or not. So 42 and 42 it will be 84 beta and 12 sevens is 84. So 84 minus 84 is equal to 0. That means our points are correct. Clear beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. No, actually, I did not measured it correctly. So
Yes.
now
Now
the
you have got the right. Okay.
yes.
Aman, Meher,
Yes, ma'am.
are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Sudhamshu, Shan,
Yes, ma'am.
Sudhamshu doing beta?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing
Okay. Children done? Sudhamshu, Aman, Siddhishri, Shyan, unmute yourself, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Aman.
Ma'am, it does intersect somewhere, ma'am. It just now intersected.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, children, I am explaining one more question, then it will be more clear then. Okay? Yes, children, show me your thumbs up. May I explain one more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Siddhishri, then it will be clear to all. Right? Okay, beta. So let's take another equation. Now, smallest equation I will take. Okay. Yeah. Suppose two equations are, first is x plus y is equal to 10. And second is x minus y is equal to 4. This equation is simple, right? So children, these two equations we have. So first of all, we will solve first equation. So we have x plus y is equal to 10. Clear? Now transpose this y to the right hand side. So it will be 10 minus y. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now put y is equal to 0 first of all. I have already told you to find the end point. Just put one time x is equal to 0. Then put y is equal to 0, right? So when you are putting y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 10 minus 0. So value of x is clear. So make a table beta like this. So x and y. When y is 0, the value of x is 10. Now here you have put y is equal to 0. Now put x is equal to 0. Clear? So the value of x will be 0 is equal to 10 minus y. So value of y will be 10. Clear, beta? Children, unmute yourself and
Yes,
just
ma'am.
reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now, second equation, see. Second equation, here I will solve. X minus y is equal to 4, or you can write x is equal to 4 plus y. May I write like this? Now put y is equal to 0. Then value of x is 4 plus 0. Then value of x is 4. Clear? Now, again make a table beta. X and y. So when x is 0, then when y is 0, then x is 4. Now put x is equal to 0. Then y will be minus 4. Right? Children, reply beta.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now make a graph. So see, here 10. So I will make here 10 intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Clear? Now here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You can make more, okay? Because I have no space here. So minus the negative x-axis, this is positive y-axis, and this is negative y-axis. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10. Right? Now draw the graph, negative y-axis. So how we will plot? See, first of all, this. When x is 10, y is 0. So beta, y will lie on here, this point only, origin, and value of x is 10. So that means 10 is lie here. Clear? So this point will be 10, 0. This thing is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Ionija have understood. What about others?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Siddhishri understood beta? Okay. Now, second is when x is 0, y is 10. When x is 0, that means x lie here only and y is 10. So that means this point will lie here. So you will write here 0, 10. Firstly, you have to write the value of x as 0, right? So now join them. Clear, beta? Now draw another line. Now see, when x is 4, y is 0. So x is 4, y is 0. So it will lie on origin. So this point will lie here only, 4, 0. Clear? Now when x is 0, y is -4. X is 0 and y is minus. Clear? 0, -4. Have you got it, beta?
Got it, ma'am.
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
Yes,
intersecting.
ma'am.
Okay, just join them. Clear? So now just check their intersecting point. This is their intersecting point. Draw a perpendicular line on x-axis and on y-axis too. So when you will draw it with scale and pencil, I guess the values of x will be 7 and y will be 3. Clear? So this will be 3. Clear, beta? Understood, class 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the
Understood, ma'am.
value of x coming 7?
Yes, x coming 7. So value of x is 7 and value of y is 3. Or you can check your answer. See, in both the equation, when x is 7 and y is 3, then you have got 10. Now, here 7 minus 3, 4. So that means our values are correct. Understood, children?
Yes,
Kindly show
ma'am.
your thumbs up. See, children, when x is 0 and value of y is and something given, then it will lie on y-axis like this only. When x is 0 and y was 10, so it will lie on y-axis. Now when x is given and y is 0, then it will lie on x-axis. Clear, beta? So whatever value of which coordinate is given, that point will lie on that axis only. If value of x is given and y is 0, then it will lie on x-axis. The coordinate lie on x-axis. And if if x-axis is 0 and y coordinate is given, then it will lie on y-axis. Clear? Understood? Show me your thumbs up, children. Okay. So Dhamshu and Abhinav only have understood. Aman, Siddhishri, Shan. Okay, Siddhishri. Shan, you have not understood, beta? May I explain it once again? Shyam? Shyam, am I audible to you, beta? Meher?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Aman?
Ma'am, understood.
Okay. Please note it down it. Hurry up.
Please wait, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. All have done?
No, ma'am,
Yes,
wait, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You can note it down.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like in all cases, when we plot the graph, the lines will intersect each other.
No. Sometimes they will not intersect. Sometimes they will be parallel. So if lines will be parallel, then there will be no solution because solution is there only when lines are intersecting. Or if one line, if the points of one line lies on the other line, right? So then these lines will be coincident. So there will be infinitely many solutions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Now all have done. Just show me your thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up, children. Hurry up. Okay.
Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes, Vidya. You are having class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now, this type of question I will give in your homework only. So, only one question I will give. And children, kindly try to make this solution graph, this method on the graph only. Okay, represent this equations on graph paper. Clear, beta? So that it will be clear for you. Okay, it will clear to you.
Okay.
Clear? And tomorrow I will check your solutions also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Be ready
Yes,
with your
ma'am.
homework. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye bye.
Ma'am.
Sudhamshu, have you understood?